Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So everything is bleeding, right? I don't know why our market is falling. Even I didn't expect our markets to fall so much. If you think you are in loss, you don't worry. I am also in loss. Let me show my screen to you. We are in we are in a super loss. See, as of now, we are in a loss of around more than 1,09,000 rupees. So I'm sure you must be knowing what is happening in the markets. Let's see, from 17,500, 17,700 levels, we are sitting somewhere around 17,000 levels. So that is the kind of fall we have been experiencing. Huge gap up. And remember, I had a debit spread. I had a debit spread at 17,650 and I sold, I bought 17,650 at the time when the market was, Nifty was around 17,700, 17,650 and I sold how much? 18,000 call option. Market is reversing. You see, you imagine what will happen to my debit spread. Had I not done anything, my debit spread would have come to a loss of more than 60k. Did adjustment, did a lot of fighting and brought it down to 27.5k today and closed it today. That is, so much is a volatility in the market, so much of fall. 17,000 yesterday alone, 17,500 all the way. We saw a low of 17,125. In fact, I really don't know why the markets are falling so much. Even Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq is not falling so much, but our markets are falling. See, I didn't expect this. Anyway, what to say, our markets are overreacting. Whether we like it or not, we will have to live with it. Only thing we can do is what is going to happen. We can anticipate, we can analyze, or we can predict something. That is the best thing we can do. Losses or losses, it's a part of business, whether you like it or not. Trading, when it comes to trading, it is not your skills or it's not your adjustment skills. It's about mindset. How much caliber you have, how much like you can manage the risk. That's the thing. Best thing is don't see the MTM screen. That's it. That's what I can say, right? Anyway, we'll see about what is the market update. Nifty is at a very crucial point. In fact, 17,250 was a good support. That support was also taken. 17,000. In fact, today Nifty went below 17,000, but anyhow closed above 17,000. It is exactly at 17,060. Tomorrow, whether it is gapping down or gapping up, we really don't know, because today there is very two important event in the US, that is inflation, core inflation, and year on year inflation. Not only that, FIIs have increased the future short contracts very badly. Like they have increased more than how much, 50k of short contracts. They are adding short contracts day on day. From yesterday to today also they have added. We'll see that also, and we'll see the FII figures also. Let's see what is going to happen going forward, right? And this is the Nifty screen. Let me go to the Nifty screen. Yeah, this is the open interest. We'll come back to the open interest lately. So this is the Nifty screen, and I'm sure you're able to watch. What I can feel is this: there was a gap on this gap. If you see this gap, which was on August 2022, at least this gap should sustain. Anyway, that's why I'm saying 17,000 should act as a good support. If this 17,000 is broken, then we might see 16,800 or 16,000, even 16,700 levels. And that purely depends on how US market is going to act today. 7 p.m. we are going to have the inflation data and core inflation, WPI inflation and core inflation data, which we really don't know. Market participants are anticipating a little higher inflation data. If that is going to come out, that's going to be a very bad news. On the other hand, people are speculating. If you are following US market, people are speculating, or there are rumors that since all the small banks are failing, that SVB fell, then a few other banks also fell, Nasdaq is falling, and all these few banks are falling. See, major banks are not falling. JP Morgan Chase is not falling, US Bank, Bank of America is not falling, Wells Fargo is not falling. all these small banks are falling, right? So people are speculating, or there are rumors among US market participants that Fed may not raise the interest rate. That we really don't know. That we will know as we go forward only. As of now, 17,000 is holding. Tomorrow we really don't know whether there is going to be a gap down or whether it is going to be a gap up tomorrow. So that is the first thing you will have to watch in terms of Nifty. So I'm sure you must be having hedge positions. Not only me, even our members are bleeding. So let's hope for the best. And when it comes to Bank Nifty is a little stronger. It is not even broke. It has not even gone below it is below slightly the budget day low. That is around 39,450 levels. Bank Nifty has closed around 39,411. So Bank Nifty is also slightly below budget day low. In case it goes down, maybe we will see, who knows, 38,500 or even 38,000. In terms of this is in terms of Bank Nifty. And I'm saying this is also depends on how US markets are closing today. That is the main thing you will have to take into concern. We really don't know what is going to happen. So market participant, whether it is WPI inflation data or core inflation data, they are expecting at a higher level. Market forecast. See, like exit polls, there is a market forecast. Every participant, every analyst will come out and say before any big event, so this is going to be the interest rate, this is going to be the 25 basis point, 50 basis point or 100 basis point. If the expectation, so overall market participant expectation is that both WPI inflation and core inflation is going to be higher than last month. So if it is going to be in such a way, we are going to be in a very, very bad shape. Okay, and as far as these US futures are concerned, US futures are all in the green. In fact, US markets itself is in the green. Dow Jones, I'm talking about all three indices, Nasdaq, S&P, Dow Jones, everything is in the green. That's why I'm saying even the US market is not worried so much. Why we have to worry? That we really don't know. I simply think we are overreacting to these scenarios. So we'll have to wait and see. And in terms of, as I told you, core inflation data and inflation data. 6 p.m. Sorry, not 7 p.m. It's a 6 p.m. Right? Yeah, 6 p.m. core inflation data is going to come out, which is expected at below 5.6. So actual last time was 5.6. This time they are forecasting it to be at 5.8. Now, if it comes out at 5.8, that's going to be a very, very bad news. And in terms of, if you see in terms of inflation rate, what the market is expecting is, last time it was at 6.4. This time they are expecting at 6.7. Now, anything below 6.4 is going to be a positive news, and anything above 6.7 or 6.8 is going to be a very, very bad news, in spite of Federal Reserve increasing the interest rate. So we'll have to wait and see. And FIA data has not yet come. As I'm shooting this, time is around 5:30. Still, FIA data has not yet come. This is yesterday's data. And in terms of open interest, let me show you the open interest. Open interest wise, what we are seeing is index futures. Index futures, people are, FIAs are having huge short position. They have added huge short position in index future. From 111,000, they have gone all the way to 148,000. 111,000, 138,000, 136,000. From there, they have gone all the way till 158,000. So that is a significant increase in open interest. So they are having huge number of short positions. That's what I want to say. So we will wait for 6 p.m. and see how things pan out. Nothing much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.